Hi, hello, namaste. My name is Sharmila, originally from India, currently living in Australia with my husband and two beautiful kids. I was a civil engineer, now full-time stay-at-home mom and successful digital business entrepreneur. I started this business because of my kids. We moved to Australia in 2018 when our first child was 4. During my first child, balancing work and childcare was challenging but manageable. In 2023, we welcomed our second child. I cared for both kids during my maternity leave. However, returning to work after my leave ended was tough due to economic strain. We juggled morning drops off, late commutes, and little one frequent illness from childcare. It was then that I made a decision to leave the work to be present as a mom. Then I came across an ad about this digital business on social media which caught my attention. And the story of working mom really touched me